Pause for a moment and imagine navigating a pitch-black room with perfect confidence. That's the superpower whiskers grant to many creatures. Each whisker is deeply embedded in the skin and surrounded by a rich network of nerves. These hairs pick up the tiniest vibrations in the air, letting animals sense nearby objects, changes in airflow, and even approaching predators. Whiskers can detect textures and measure the width of gaps, acting as a built-in ruler. This remarkable adaptation gives its bearer a silent, invisible advantage in the wild.